Welcome. In front of me is an Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So anyway, to get started, simply swipe down from the top of the screen, extend the list of toggles right here, and then swipe to the side where you will find Screen Record. Select it by tapping on it. This will bring up an overlay right here, letting you know or giving you a couple options like record audio, microphone, which is a little bit cut out. You can tap on the drop down and record things like microphone, device audio, or both. And obviously if this is turned off, it's not going to record anything, along with touch inputs on here if you choose to. From there, let's select start. We'll start a countdown, and from there begin recording with a nice little sound. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. And once you're done, swipe down again and then tap to stop. This will save your screen recording to your photos right here. So I'm going to open that up and I'm going to navigate to albums. Oh, never mind, we don't have anything on albums, so it looks like it's just going to pop out as the newest thing here. So there we go. That's the screen recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.